Hey, you need to drop the knife. Hey! Drop the fucking knife! Hey, police department!
Get in your car, bring it up.
Hey, stop walking, police department!
Subject is refusing to get out of the runway, and it does look like he has some kind of weatherman that was hoping to spray him.
Any unit to assist in San Mateo and Copper.
Traffic, man, you're gonna get tased.
Hey, Albuquerque Police, sir, you need to get out of the road.
You're gonna get tased when you get out of the road.
Hey, put down the knife.
Put it down!
Drop the knife!
Drop it! George 336, have you step it up?
Units, if you can step it up to San Mateo, grand.
Myself, I get 22, you know.
There's 10-3 10.
San Mateo Marquette now. What's that?
San Mateo Marquette now.
Hey, you need to drop the knife! Hey! Drop the fucking knife!
Shots fired, 3. 43,
Don't reach for it! Turn on your back! Turn on your stomach! Hey, he threw the knife at me. George 336 PD. I was hit in the arm with the knife when he threw it.
George 336 hit the arm with a knife. I'll get you 43. Which unit advising shots fired?
156, 34-4, so this down. He blocks traffic, Copper and San Mateo northbound at 8 roadblocks. Cleared all now. First unit escape San Mateo, Copper. Next responding units, if they can take Mark Sharp and San Mateo, can block them over.
Which unit is this?
798.
Yeah, I'm good. I got hit in the arm with the knife. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. He's right here. Oh, look. Where's the knife? Yeah, we're good. Okay. Hey, it's right there.
Keep loaded, don't screw up, man.
It's right here.
I'll stay here with you.
Thank you.
One, you stay here with me for a minute. To the next unit.
Is that you? What's that? If you could stay.
San Mateo Marquette blocking. 10 I'm getting you 43.
And then he threw the knife at him.
Their best response is going to be from the Lawrence and San Mateo, heading southbound if they can. From north, they can go west on our track to Station 5.
Trying to get your rescue.
No, sir, you're okay.
San Mateo Marquette.
Yeah, bro, I'm good. Just give me the knife right there, dude. He threw it at me.
Which unit out was 798?
I was just, You okay? Yeah, I'm good, bro.
PD Frank 323, are you out with 798?
156 San Mateo Marquette.
I'll just go in the back of my car.
Frank 334 San Mateo and Copper.
10-4.
10-4.
I don't know, do I need to stay on?
Charlie 33556 at San Mateo moment. reference 798 Tampa.
I'm talking to 798. Hey guys, start set up tape on your corners.
PD George 336.
Go ahead.
Is your call related to 798 shots fired?
I'm not sure. Could you 10-9 call?
I'm asking whether any shots fired at your location.
That's 10-4 meeting.
10-4.
San Mateo and Copper.
Charge 323, 10-4.
Charles 322, brother.
Charge 332, 10-4. 322.
Was Ming with you?
What? No, it's Chris Cordova.
You were, I don't know.
Can you run me out with 790, please?
1590.
Everybody, you want the aux or whatever they're listening to?
Nah, bro, you're chilling. Yes, Sarge. I'm still alive, by the way. I'm 10-4. I'll probably get checked out by 43. Just, I got hit with a knife, so.
Did you, any shots fired out, or you?
Yes, both of us, man.
You and who?
Cordova.
Okay, is this your buddy officer?
One of the 34s up there just said, hey, you take him back to your car right now.
Okay, hang tight here.
Yes, ma'am.
Call your family.
Okay.
Let them know you're okay. And then call Sean.
Should I stay on this whole time?
No, go off.
Okay.
Do not discuss anything.